My name is Patrick Nelson. I drive a Ford Bronco Sport 2021 Big Bend Edition. I've had it for about 1 month. I like the trunk space, the styling, the overall look of the car is very cool. You know, I'll drive around to work. There's a couple roads in my town that are dirt and they're kind of a bit rockety, so especially around the dog park, which I got 2 big dogs and they love the Bronco. It's a very nice car for them. A couple of weeks ago, the entertainment system, the screen just went blank. So it'll go up to the boot logo, but it'll just immediately go to black screen. Oddly enough, the backup camera still works, and you can do the soft reset to get it to, restart itself and play the boot intro again, but it won't go past the boot intro and just has a black screen. So I can't use my Sirius XM, can't use my GPS, can't use Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, which a lot of the reason I got the car was to use Android Auto with it, and I can't use it right now. So I'm having to stick my phone on a little sticky thing right next to it because my screen doesn't work. So I called around to my local Ford dealership and they were asking for a ton of money to fix it. So I decided to come here instead, both to get a more expert opinion on the problem and to save a little bit of money, but also mainly just because I would trust these guys more than I would trust Ford dealership to do this. It's really great to have my car back to its working order. My screen is fully functional again, able to have my Sirius XM, my radio, get into access to my Android Auto, navigation. Everything's working great. Guys here at Infotainment did an amazing job. The technicians were incredible. They were super knowledgeable and efficient, and they just did a great job, and I couldn't be happier. Thank you to Infotainment. You guys did an amazing job. Super happy to have my Ford Bronco Sport Big Bend Edition working and back fully functional. What I'm planning to do now, I'm going to cruise around, drive my dogs to the dog park, and I'm going to go explore some of the urban Florida area here with my GPS on so I can know where I'm going.